Hey, Shawn, I hope you're having a great day. So in regards to your question about GDPR compliance and where exactly the data is hosted. So some context, Groundhogg is a WordPress plugin which just gets installed right on your WordPress website, which is hosted on a hosting company's server, which you choose. So that means that wherever you pay for your hosting for your WordPress website is where all of the data collected or built with Groundhogg exists. So that means all contact records, any emails, any funnels that you create, everything associated with Groundhogg is installed directly on your WordPress site, which is hosted on a server of your choice in a location of your choice. So if you're working with a European hosting company, then the server will be in Europe, therefore complying with all known GDPR regulations. And also, the data that you collect with Groundhogg is not ever received by our organization in any way. So we don't touch it. It doesn't go through any third-party services unless you tell it to do so. By default, all of the information is self-contained to your WordPress website and never interacts with any other servers outside of that site, unless you're putting the data through Zapier or something. But again, that's something that you have to set up. So that is how we remain compliant with GDPR. You just have to host your website somewhere in the European Union, and you're more or less good to go. So I hope that answers your question. Please let me know if you have any more.